How to remove calling card in Google Phone. Hey there, welcome to Insightful Tutorials. Have you created a calling card for specific contacts in Google Phone and now want to remove it to get back the default calling screen for that contact whenever you receive an incoming call? If yes, then you are watching the right video. Without further ado, let's get started. Open the Google Phone app on a mobile device. Tap on the three horizontal lines at the top. A side menu will appear. Here, tap on Settings. Scroll down a bit. Under General, find and tap on Calling Card. As you can see, I currently have two contacts with a calling card. Select the contact whose calling card you would like to remove. Now tap on the Remove button. A confirmation pop-up will appear asking if you are sure about deleting the calling card for that specific contact. Finally, tap on Confirm. As you can see, the calling card for that specific contact has been removed. Similarly, you can remove the calling card for other contacts as well. Now whenever you receive an incoming call, the default Google Phone caller screen will appear. And that's it. You have successfully removed the calling card from your contacts in Google Phone. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more insightful tutorials.